Hi guys, the pandemic is still not over, so take care, take all precautions, keep your mask up, keep sanitizing and make sure that you're safe and maintaining a safe distance. We're doing this video especially for you guys and we're out traveling, but we're taking all precautions. So just to make sure, we're giving this disclaimer that we have taken all precautions for this video. And we are at Taj Mahal, the wonder of the world. Yes, one of the 7 wonders of the world, the Taj Mahal, and that's why we are here. And as you can also notice with the Taj Mahal, you can see the Tecno Camon 17 smartphone. So why we are here and why the Tecno Camon 17 is with us? Because we tried and tested this phone for a while and it is a wonder phone. For its price, for its budget, the things it offers, the feature it has, it's mind-blowing. So we wanted to show you how it's a wonder phone under 15,000 rupees and what it can do with its camera. Like other Tecno Camon series phone, this is a great camera smartphone for its price. And we're going to be testing its features, its camera capabilities at the Taj Mahal. So let's go ahead, unbox this smartphone and start testing the camera features of this smartphone. So this is the Tecno Camon 17 reviewer's box and we'll just unbox it and show you what comes in the box. So when you open the lid, you will see a smartphone on top, which is the Tecno Camon 17 smartphone. You also get a surprise gift, which is the Tecno TWS. Yes, this is the wireless earphones they have launched and this is how it looks like. So if you're watching this video, you have a chance to win the TWS and the Tecno Camon 17 smartphone. So first let's show you the box. It is clear branding Tecno Camon 17. It is the 128 plus 6GB variant and the spruce green color. You get a 12 months Tecno warranty on it. And you can see that this comes with a 64 megapixel Ultra Pro video camera, Helio G85 processor, 5000 mAh of battery with 18W plus charge, 128GB ROM and 6GB of RAM, and NFHD plus dot-in display camera. So let's just unbox the device and see what comes in the box. So up front you get the smartphone right there with the cover included. Yes, the TPU casing is included. You can see the texture is also there. It's not like a regular TPU case. It has a premium texture on it, which adds to the visual appeal of the smartphones. And we'll just keep that apart and you can see how beautiful the phone looks. So you get the usual documentation of Tecno, 18W fast charger, the Type-C cable, SIM ejector tool, and that's all you get in the box. Priced at 12,999. It has a big 6.8 inches Full HD Plus display, an IPS display which has a resolution of 1080 into 2460. You get a 500 nits of screen brightness, 397 ppi pixel density, and a 90.5% screen to body ratio. So in terms of design, this definitely doesn't look like a 13,000 rupees device. You can have a look at the spruce green color, which is very unique, and the combination they've done with the bronze and the green, it's really nice to look at. The camera module is in bronze color and the branding is also in a way 3D rendered on the thing. It's not like a sticker, it's not like a print. You can feel the depth in it. It's a 3D etching on the device and it looks really nice. And the advanced Helio G85 gaming processor enhances the gaming experience with HyperEngine technology. And thanks to the 6GB plus 128GB storage, you have a lot of space and a lot of RAM at your disposal. So in terms of ports, you get the USB Type-C port for charging. You also get a 3.5mm jack. Yes, it's intact there. Like most of the devices have let it go, this one still has it. You also get a speaker at the bottom. So on the right, you get the power button, which has an integrated fingerprint sensor. You get the volume rocker. On the left is the SIM tray, which can accommodate 2 SIMs and a memory card. So it's a triple SIM slot. So in terms of a selfie camera, you got a 16 megapixel in-dot camera, which is in the center of the screen and it's like a punch hole. From the 16 megapixel selfie camera, you get AI beauty mode, AI portrait mode, wide selfie, super night shot, AI scene detection, HDR and other modes. So for all your night selfie, this phone comes with a dual flash and you can also adjust the light intensity to make sure that your face doesn't burn up with too much of flashlight. The Camon 17 is a photography and videography focused phone with a 64 megapixel AI camera. You also get a video blur mode, which helps with natural blur effect, makes your videos professional and makes your vlog really come out. You also get AI portrait recognition. In terms of professional video modes, you get Movie Master. So you can become a creator yourself. You can edit videos, you can collect a lot of photos and create videos out of it. So that is a great feature for all those budding content creators out there. You get AI powered modes like 2K time lapse, video blur, portrait night scene, slow motion video, video beauty, and other modes. You also get a 5000 mAh of battery with quick charge of 18W fast charging. The smartphone also comes with a unique anti-theft alarm system. So if you're charging at a public place and you're always worried about somebody plucking your phone and taking it away, well, you don't have to be worried anymore with Tecno Camon 17. As soon as somebody takes out the charging cable, if you're charging at a public place, it creates a loud sound so that you know that your phone has been unplugged from charging. Now, isn't that unique and great? So in terms of operating system, you get iOS 7.6 based on Android 11. So we are outside the Taj Mahal and we made sure that we follow all the safety protocols. As we mentioned in the beginning of the video, we wanted to make sure that we are maintaining safe distance. When we reached the Taj Mahal, there was a huge rush, there was a lot of waiting, and to avoid that, we found a special secret place where you can get the Taj in its pure beauty. And you can see this is a pure view of the Taj, the wonder of the world, and this wonderful phone. And we're going to show you some videography, photography tips that you can use when using the Tecno Camon 17. So before we share the tips that you can use for your videography game, up the ante there, we will suggest you to make sure keep the camera lens clear. There are a lot of times there are smudges, fingerprints on the sensor and the lens that really distort the image quality and the video quality. So make sure you just need to do this, keep the lenses clear and start shooting. So the first tip is, like you can see Taj Mahal right at the back. If I need to shoot the video, don't start just start there and start shooting the video. You need to add something creative to it. So what you need to do is, first thing, try the inception shot. Now it's very simple. It might sound like the Inception movie, which is very complex and very difficult to understand. It's not that tough to understand. All you need to do is hold your phone like this and start rotating it in a different angle and start moving towards or backwards from the picture you're capturing. So if, for example, you're capturing the Taj Mahal here, you start the video and you start rotating the screen a bit and also start moving backwards or towards the monument. So what happens is, when you're doing that, it really adds to the creativity in a way, a transition effect that really boosts your video. So the second creative tip that I want to give you all is to take the reveal shot. What you need to do is, start from something that can block the view. So for example, there's a bench here. We'll block the view of the Taj, start the video recording, and we'll slowly go up and reveal the Taj. So this is called a reveal shot, where there is something that is clearly visible, but you hide it under something or behind something and then quickly reveal it and showcase it, and it gives you a grandeur effect. So that was our second tip. Now let's move on to the third tip. So the third trick is to capture a time-lapse video. So if you see a lot of movements in a shot, then you can definitely go with the time-lapse video, and thankfully this phone has a 2K time-lapse video capturing. So to capture a time-lapse, put it in time-lapse mode. If you have a gimbal, you can simply mount it on a gimbal. This is the DJI gimbal that we have. You can also use a monopod, tripod, and if there is nothing available, there are a lot of situations where you have nothing available, pick up a stone or something that supports the device. Keep it somehow, tilted in a way that it captures what you want to capture. Just give it some support. Like for example, if I want to capture this, I might support it like this and put it on time lapse. So now let's capture the time lapse and see how it comes, because we can see a lot of movement at the Taj. We'll put it on time lapse now. So the fourth trick that I want to share with you all is the panning shot. You can see the Taj Mahal right in front, but what if you panned it from the sides? You're showing it across, showing the landscape, showing the Yamuna River, and then reaching Taj Mahal. So it's like a pan. You can go left, right, you can go up, down. It's up to you. So panning also adds in a way that it looks cinematic and also can be used as a transition. So if you quickly pan something like this, you can use it as a transition. So that's some trick that you can use in your videos. So the last and final trick is the augmented reality shot, AR shot, which is specific to devices. Luckily, we have it on this device and they've really taken it to the next level. So I'm just gonna go to the AR shot and start. So you'll see a new avatar of yourself. You can change different avatars and see. So it's not you, but an animated figure, an augmented reality figure of yourself or something that you really like and follow. So you can just create that and imagine that augmented reality figure talking and moving the lips as I'm doing that right now in front of the Taj Mahal. So that is really nice, neat trick. And you can also become some toon character, Disney character, what you want to do. So that is really nice and I really like and enjoy this. So that was all about the tips and tricks that you can do on your smartphone, specifically the Tecno Camon 17, which has features that really take it to the next level. Do let us know which was the most important or the best trick that you felt, and you can share it in the comment section below or tweet to us on Unbiased Blog or at Nikhil Chawla. So if you want to win this smartphone or the TWS headset, please do let us know which trick did you like the most. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed our video from the Taj of this wonderful phone at the wonder of the world. Thanks for watching the Unbiased Blog. Have a good day.